Today I wanted to show you how I use one of my favorite Amazon beauty finds ever, and that is the Revlon Oil Absorbing Volcanic Rock Face Roller. This is like blotting papers but better. So it's a really warm day here where I am in Southern California. And so I did my makeup earlier and I'm just feeling like a little oily because of the humidity. So I love keeping this in my purse or in my makeup bag. And I don't have to reapply any makeup or set with powder. I just roll this over my face. It actually feels really nice and like a massage. So you don't have to worry about making sure you have blotting papers. You'll never run out. It's actually really easy to clean too. You just rinse it in warm water in your sink and you can use a little of your facial cleanser, let it dry overnight, and then you pop it back in. I usually use this about once a day in the afternoon when I feel like I need a little refresh. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to take it apart and put it back together. You just twist the top off and you can easily just pop the device out and then it just clicks right back into place. Super easy and super convenient to have on you. So there you go. One of my favorite Amazon purchases ever.